Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to animate Marauders map footstep. So let's start. Click New Composition. Type Footstep Animation. Set preset as HDTV 1080 frame rate 25. Set duration to 10 seconds. Click OK. Pick Pen tool. Change the fill option to solid color and stroke option to none. Change fill color to black. Now draw the footprint as shown. Click drop-down arrow in the shape layer and rename shape 1 to heel. Rename shape 2 to toe. Select the footstep and right-click, transform, center anchor point in layer content. After that, select region of interest. Draw as shown. Go to Composition and select Crop Comp to region of interest. Pick Anchor Point tool. And select toe anchor point and drag the anchor point like this. Again, select heel anchor point and drag the anchor point like this. Go up 1 second in timeline and click stopwatch icon in toe scale and go up 0.14 seconds in timeline and change scale to 0. After that, without changing the timeline, click stopwatch icon in heel scale. Go up 0.04 second in timeline and change scale value to 0. Select shape layer. Effect and preset search for roughen edges. Add it to shape layer. Change border to 15. Rename the shape layer to footprint. I am changing the composition duration to 6 seconds. Select footprint layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Rename the duplicate layer to footprint texture. Select footprint texture layer. Effect and preset search for fractal noise. Add it to footprint texture. Bring fractal noise effect above the roughen edges effect. Select footprint layer. Effect and preset search for set matte and double-click on set matte. Footprint texture, effect and mask, luminance. Hide the footprint texture. Go up 4 seconds in timeline and select footprint texture layer and click stopwatch icon in brightness. Change brightness to 120. Go to end of the timeline and change brightness to -90. Go to 4 seconds in timeline and change brightness to 70. Click stopwatch icon in border and go to end of the timeline and change border to 100. Go to 4 seconds in timeline and add keyframes to toe and heel scales. And go to end of the timeline and change scale values to 80. Now create a new composition. Change the duration to 10 seconds. Set preset to HDTV 1080 frame rate 25 and click OK. Bring the Marauders map PNG image into project. Drag the PNG image to timeline. Adjust the scale of the map. Drag the footstep animation composition to the timeline and place it above the PNG layer. Select footstep animation composition layer and change the footprint size. And rotate it. Pick pen tool. And change the stroke to solid color and change the color. Change the fill to none. Now draw a path as shown. Adjust the path. Select footstep animation layer and adjust the footprint. Now take a duplicate of that layer and again adjust the footprint as shown. After that, arrange the footstep animation layers as shown. Okay, now our footstep animation is finished. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to just stay tuned to all my future videos. Thanks for watching.